Hello, myself Aayushi Yadu from final year batch of interior designing. So my graduation project was a set and stage design, wherein for the set design, I designed set which was based on a Marathi wada, which was set in late 1970s time, and it was a period film. And in the stage design, I designed a set for which is a very famous play. Everyone knows it as with the name of the Charlie and the Chocolate Factory, and the mentor helped me in many more ways. So during the designing process, my main concern was the set designing thing because it had a false flooring thing and also a semi-permanent structure. So I wasn't sure how the construction part works in the false flooring and what all materials can be used for semi-permanent structure. So faculty did make sure and taught me the process how these things can be made and what materials can be used. In my 4 years journey, ITM has helped me in a lot of ways, and also I'll cherish my whole journey in the future. It has helped me in my personal growth as well as in my professional life. So as an intern, I worked at Asta. It helped me in my professional growth and it gave me various opportunities to work with, which was residential, retail and commercial. And my very special project for me, which boosted up my career in the start, was the MECD projects. So I'm very thankful for the Asta for doing that, and it was my great experience. So thank you ITM IDM for that.